Good Thursday morning, everybody. We're finally getting a little bit of rain. Um, Sun's just come up, but it's behind the clouds, as you can see. There's the rain clouds over there. We have had rain, but not a storm, so that's nice. Hear the birds? Yeah. Oh, there's a little bit of blue over here. It's nice. You hear those birds? Aren't they beautiful? Yep, so it's about 5:30 a.m. I think it was just a little after 5:30 Queensland time. We don't do daylight savings here. But yeah, so this is the morning. I've seen the morning up and I'm buggered. I've got to get some sleep. Um, we have had some rain, like I said, but not a storm. We will get more rain. It's coming over there. And that's nice because it'll cool things down. We've had a few hot days. Like I said, if I stop talking, you would hear the beautiful birds. Stuff up in the tree up there. I wonder if I can see. I'll try and focus it. Very high. So when things go falling down, you can hear them all right. Yeah. Like now. You might not have heard that. There's birds up there. They camouflage themselves. Anyway, there's our beautiful Thursday morning of rain clouds coming over. Yeah, looking forward to a cool one. Love to all. And I'll see you next time. Bye for now.